So there is a new feature coming to Windows 11 that can save your PC from almost any type of disaster, like severe boot failure or system corruption. This thing acts like a time machine. If you have any issue with your PC, like it can't boot or something happened to your PC after installing something or tweaking something on your system, you can fix almost any type of issue with your PC with this feature. So this feature is called point-in-time restore. Right now, this is a preview feature and it's available in the Windows Insider Preview Builds Dev and Beta channel. And there is even a official documentation on this point-in-time restore for Windows. Point-in-time restore enables users to restore a Windows PC to the exact state it was at an earlier point in time in minutes. That means it works super fast. So it uses the restore points. Now you might think that this is like the regular restore points. Yeah, you can say that this is like upgraded version of the restore points that we have, the classic restore point in control panel, like this one. But point-in-time restore is actually more powerful. You can say restore point 2.0 something if you want to. Restore points are stored locally on the machine and are captured using Volume Shadow Copy Service, in short VSS. Point-in-time restore focuses on fast recovery from recent issues by restoring the full system state captured within the last 72 hours. So it creates a full system restore point. And they have also specified what are the differences between the point-in-time restore and system restore. Point-in-time restore is modern and it's available in modern system settings. System restore is available in control panel. Point-in-time works automatically. Okay, there is a setting. And system restore, you have to create a event or have to do it manually. It expires after 72 hours. You can keep it as long as you want. Point-in-time creates a full system state restore point, where the system restore only creates restore points for system files and settings. Now, to access this feature, you have to go to settings and then system and then recovery. And here at the bottom, you'll see point-in-time restore. Click on it and here you have to enable it. When this thing becomes available in the stable release of Windows 11, if you have disk larger than 200 gigabyte, it will be enabled by default. Okay, but if you have less storage, then it will be off. So I think most people have at least 250 gigabytes and more storage on their C drive, so it will be enabled. So again, right now this is available in preview builds of Windows 11 Dev and Beta. So I can just enable it. Okay, after enabling it, we have a couple of options. Restore point frequency, how often it creates a system restore point. Okay, we can select every 24 hours and 16, 12, 6 or 4. Okay, default is 24 and restore point retention. It is set to 72 hours, but you can go as low as 6 hours. Basically, after 72 hours, it will create a new system restore point and will delete the old one to free up this storage. And you can also decide how much space you want to give this. Like maybe I'm gonna give it like 10 gigabyte, 15% of the storage, but you can go as low as 2 gigabyte. That's the minimum storage it requires. Now let's actually test this. Once we have enabled, now it should have created a first restore point. The next restore point will be created after 24 hours. Let's download a few things from the internet, maybe VLC. Once it creates a system restore point, it's going to create another system restore point after 24 hours. So it shouldn't include all the things I do within this gap. And this thing should also affect the user files if I have them in user folders on system drive. So what I'm going to do is actually copy VLC. Download folder is also a user folder. Just for this experiment, I'm going to go to documents and paste that file in here. So when we restore our system, these files shouldn't be here. Okay, and all the programs that we install after the system restore point has been created. Now we need to go to the Windows recovery environment. For that, we can hold Shift and restart our PC, or if the PC is accessible, we can go to settings, system, and then recovery, and then we can select the advanced startup and restart. Okay, so let's actually do that. And hopefully our system restore point is created before I installed all these programs. Now, when you have an issue with your PC, let's say a boot issue, it's not booting properly, it will always go to Windows recovery environment automatically. Yeah, this is the Windows recovery environment. Okay, here, if I go to troubleshoot, oh, I can't find that option in here. Advanced quick machine recovery, we have that. System restore, this is the old one. We are looking for point in time restore point. Again, this thing is in preview, means beta testing. So maybe there is a bug, that's why it's not appearing in the Windows recovery environment. We have this thing enabled. Okay, this is the official documentation. When we go to troubleshoot, we should see this option, point in time restore. Okay, so it's under troubleshoot. So let's try this one more time. And we have to go to troubleshoot here. No, we don't see that option. So it looks like in my case, even though I have that option and have enabled it, it's not appearing here. So again, as I said, this is a beta feature, testing feature, which is only available in Windows preview builds that are meant for testing and all that. Don't worry, whenever this hits the stable release, I'll make a full update video on how to use it and all that. Yeah, in my opinion, this is actually a pretty cool feature that can actually help you recover your PC from almost any type of disaster. Okay, as long as it's system related, like system corruption, or you tweaked your system in a way that it's not booting or something is not working properly. Again, it captures the full system state. That means it can undo almost any changes that you have done on your system, and it's more powerful than the classic system restore point. Yeah, it's still a system restore point. I think it's like system restore 2.0. Yeah, upgraded version that is more powerful, you know, because it captures the full system state. With this feature, hopefully we'll never have to reinstall Windows just because we got boot failure or our system got corrupted. Yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.